Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to add a Discord link to a TikTok bio. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So go ahead and open up your Discord. Now I've already got a server here, but you can create more servers using the plus sign there. So you can create your own and so on. So go ahead and click on the top right, you'll see the ellipsis there. And then all you need to do is click invite. You'll see it just beside boost and notifications. And all you need to do now is go ahead and click on your Discord link. So just click on that. But you can see here that there's different options to the link settings. We're going to go ahead and make sure that it never expires and that the max use is unlimited. So click the Discord link. You can see the confirmation that the link has been copied on the top there. All we need to do now is back out, go ahead into TikTok, and all we need to do is edit our profile, and you can see add bio, click on add bio and paste your Discord link in and go ahead and click on save. And there you go. That's the Discord link into your profile. But there you have it folks, that is how to add a Discord link to a TikTok bio. It's as simple as that. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.